Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Tired of spending hours building websites with templates and code? Meet Dora AI, a next-gen web design tool that uses AI to build and animate your websites from just a single prompt. Let's see how it's transforming web design in 2025. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm using Edge browser to test these prompts. First, let's see a brief introduction about this AI. What is Dora AI? Dora AI is your personal AI web designer. You just type what kind of website you want, and Dora creates a beautiful animated responsive site within seconds. It's built for creators, freelancers, startups, anyone who wants to bring their web ideas to life fast. Let's talk about some key features. Prompt to website. Just describe the site you want, like a portfolio, blog, or startup landing page, and Dora builds it for you instantly. No-code animations. Easily add smooth scroll effects, hover interactions, and animations. All visually without any code. 3D and visual canvas. Design in a 3D space, position elements freely, and bring your website to life with motion and layout control. Drag and drop editor. After generating, you can customize everything in their visual editor. Fonts, layout, text, colors, and even animations. Now, let's take a look at Dora AI in action with some prompt examples. Prompt 1. Create a startup landing page. Here I'm typing prompt as create a modern animated landing page for a meditation app called Calm Zone. Now click on the Generate button. Now select the style you want to build your website and click on the Generate button. Now, let's see what Dora generates. In seconds, it gives a sleek, scrollable landing page with animations, sections like features, testimonials, and a call to action. All ready to edit. You can click on the play button to preview the website it generated. Let's see a quick preview. Looking great right now. Prompt 2. Portfolio website for a designer. Here I am entering prompt as design a minimalist portfolio site for a freelance graphic designer. Now click on the Generate button. Now select the style you want to build your website and click on the Generate button. Now let's see what Dora generates. Dora instantly builds a clean portfolio with image galleries, about section, contact form, and even scroll animations. Let's see a quick preview by clicking on the play button. Looking great, right? Prompt 3. Tech blog website. Now I'm typing prompt as build a tech blog website with dark mode and modern typography. Now click on the Generate button. Now select the style you want to build your website and click on the Generate button. Now let's see what this generates. Boom! It generates a blog layout with posts, tags, categories, and a stylish dark theme. Fully responsive and animated. Now time to look how it looks when deployed. Click on the play button to see the preview. Looks great. It's like having Webflow, Figma, and an AI designer, all rolled into one smart interface. Whether you're a freelancer, startup founder, or a non-coder, Dora AI is a game-changer for building modern websites in 2025. Dora offers a free plan with basic access, and premium plans unlock advanced animations, hosting, and more customization options. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more AI tools and tutorials. See you in the next video.